Unlock smarter performance management with AssessTEAM's AI-generated goals tailored to every role across your organization. Let's take the example of our digital marketing manager, Emma Jones. Start by heading to the Persons section and clicking on the Goals icon. Next, click Use AI for Emma's goals and enter a new goal. Strengthen brand visibility and follower engagement by enhancing social media presence and content marketing strategy. Once confirmed, the AI system will instantly generate 5 tailored goals based on Emma's past evaluations and the objective you provided. You can even add additional goals manually to customize your goal-setting strategy. The goal, increase social media engagement rate by 15%, is due by December 31st and weighs 20%. The goal, grow website traffic from social media by 20%, is due by March 31st and weighs 20%. The goal, complete a content marketing certification, is due by January 30th and weighs 10%. The goal, lead the development of a new content pillar strategy, is due by March 31st and weighs 15%. The goal, improve email open rates by 10%, is due by February 28th and weighs 15%. The goal, improve paid campaign ROI, is due by May 31st and weighs 20%. Once that's set, it's time to schedule evaluations. Select the appropriate evaluation levels, choose the evaluation frequency, and pick a send date to dispatch your evaluations. Completing reviews is just as simple. Navigate to the Waiting Evaluations section and click Start Evaluation. Select your answer, add notes and file attachments where needed, and click Finish Evaluation to wrap it up. You can also choose to sign off on the evaluations for added authenticity and share the feedback with the employee via email for their signature. For even more insights, venture into the Goals Report section. Select the time period. Enter a person's or team name, and click Generate Report to track progress on goals and goal completion status. Plus, you can easily export the data as PDFs or spreadsheets for a more in-depth analysis. With AI-generated goals, you set clearer priorities, drive accountability, and empower your teams to achieve meaningful results, making goal setting smarter, faster, and effective.